Mayor Greg Stanton, city council members, and other city government employees unveiled the city's proposed 2015 general plan to the public in November. Planning Director Alan Stephenson explains what it is.
A general plan is the city's long-range guide to the city. It has visions, goals, and policies that address issues such as energy, housing, neighborhoods, public facilities, and natural resources, in addition to your transportation and land use elements. In the state of Arizona, we're required to update them every 10 years. This is part of that process.
Today is to bring everyone from across the city, from all neighborhoods, from all walks of life, all socioeconomic classes, the racial diversity, religious diversity, bring all the people of Phoenix together and say, here's the draft, let's fine tune it, let's make sure we get this right and get people excited about the future of their cities.
The event was a way for city leaders to involve the community in the Phoenix General Plan and let the public's voices be heard on issues that matter to them.
We started about 2 years ago, and we took this plan to the people. We went to people in their location, not at our location. So we went to light rail stops, we went on the light rail, we went to sports bars in North Phoenix, we went to parks, we went to where the people are. They didn't know we were coming. We asked them the question, what do you like about Phoenix? What do you want to see change? What do you want to see more of? And we took those ideas about the city that they wanted to have, and we now put our draft plan together.
Through PlanPHX, we're taking the general plan, which can kind of be this dry document, just words on a piece of paper, and bringing it to life, where people can really come and say, this is the type of community that we want to see, these are the amenities that we want to see, and this is the type of place that we want to live in the future, and we want our children and grandchildren to live in the future.
There were 9 different workshops at the event led by city staff and community leaders, ranging from healthy food to sustainable cities. Residents in attendance also voiced some of their own ideas.
I would definitely come to another thing like this. And the Sustainable Cities panel I just went to was very, very interesting. And I would like a whole day on the topic that I just went to in that breakout session.
Water conservation plans are a big thing, finding a way to do gray water, rainwater harvesting, things like that. We have a lot of nonprofits in the area that work on that kind of stuff. Work with them and figure out what we can do to start at least minimizing our impact, which is really all we can do.
Along with the informational sessions, attendees got to explore some of the city's programs, nonprofit organizations, and interact one-on-one with government leaders.
It's a tremendous event. I'm very proud of our city staff who put this great day together, and the mayor and the council are here, and the engagement with our future is tremendous.
Once finalized, the mayor will take this plan to voters in August.